Alright, today we're going to try to create an MLA formatted page based on the default settings of Microsoft Word, so you know how to click and where to get what you want. First, we're going to start at the top of the page with our header. I'm just going to double click into the header. I want to go to the right side. I'm going to type my name. Now notice here what my font is, and so I'm going to change my font to what I'm going to have the rest of my paper in. I'm going to go Times New Roman, 12-point font. That's what I want for my paper. So I'm going to leave that there. Put a space. We might need to insert a page number. So over here, I want it in my current position, right where the margin is, plain number. And that's right there. I don't have to worry about it. Double click back into the main body of my paper, and we're good. Next, I'm going to put my name. Notice here, my font is wrong again, so I'm going to change my font. It's a home, Times New Roman, 12-point font. Now my font in the body of my paper matches the font in my header, and we're ready to go. Next thing I'm going to need to do is double space this paper and do a little bit of formatting. So when I hit enter, everything goes well. So I'm going to click right here in the paragraph settings so I can change everything at once. I've already changed the spacing. The default here is going to say 8. You want to make sure this after says 0. I want my line spacing to say double. And for now, that'll be good. I'm going to set that as my default because that's what I'm going to use for most of my papers anyway. And I want all documents. Okay. There. I'm going to put the teacher's name in, which is me again. Class. English, and then the date. Dates are always in the format of day, month, year. Go to the next line. I want to center my title, and then I'm going to go back to the side, tab in a space, and write words. Alright, so that's how the main body of my paper will be formatted, and I'll just keep typing and the page number should keep going. The next step is to create a works cited page at the end of my paper. To do that, I've got a couple options. First, I could hit Control Enter, and that'll give me a new page like this with a page break. If I didn't want to do that, I could go to Insert, Page Break right here, and it'll give me the same thing. Once I get to my page for my works cited entry, I want to center it. Write the words works cited, go down to the next line, and go back to the left. My works cited page uses a hanging indent, so I'm going to go back to this paragraph menu and change my indentation here to hanging. Click OK. And now, when I type, the hanging indent will be created all on its own. That's all the formatting I should need to do, and everything on the paper should be formatted correctly, and that's all we need. Thanks.